studying reported speech. Now, reported speech are of two types, direct speech and an indirect speech. Direct speech is the sentence or a statement which is made directly by a person. But an indirect speech is the modified version of direct speech, which means that a third person conveys the message or the statement or the sentence which is spoken by the first or the second person, which means that the person over there completely changes. So in this video we will be studying or we will be understanding how to convert an indirect speech to direct speech, and we will also understand that how the pronouns or basically the personal pronoun changes when we are converting from indirect to direct speech. So there are certain rules when we are converting from indirect to direct speech when a personal pronoun is being used. Now, when a first person or a second person is speaking, then when you are converting it to a direct speech, then a different person is being used while conveying. Now, all this depends upon the person who is speaking, and it also depends to the person to whom the message is being conveyed. Like, for example, I say, Rohan said that he had given the parcel to his mother. Now this is my indirect speech because the representation or the recognition of indirect speech is that there is always that in the sentence and it is always conveyed by another person. Now here Rohan said that. Now maybe it is some other person, maybe his sister is saying the sentence, or maybe some other person is saying, but exactly the person who spoke. Who spoke these lines? Rohan. Exactly the person who spoke will not be considered. The message will be conveyed by some different person. Remember that whenever we are making use of direct sentences, there can be different quotation marks which can be used. But for indirect sentences, there is only a full stop. There is no exclamation, there is no question mark, there is nothing. Just a full stop. In indirect, but while converting to direct sentences, depending upon the type of sentence which is finally made, we will be using the quotation marks. Now here, when I want to convert this into direct sentence, I will start with Rohan said, comma, and my inverted commas will begin. Now when my inverted commas will begin, my sentence will be within the inverted commas and I will speak as Rohan will be speaking in the sentence. Now when Rohan will speak, suppose I am Rohan, I will say I. So for that, the third person will change to the first person, and that first person is me, that is I. So he will change to I, had given will change to has given, because the past tense will change to the present. And here this is past perfect, so now my sentence will be present perfect. So I have given the parcel to my mother. Because since Rohan is speaking, therefore it is his mother, and because it is Rohan, I am Rohan, so I will say my mother. So his mother will become my mother, and this is how our sentence has changed from indirect sentence to direct sentence. And we've also noticed that there is change in pronouns. He has changed to I and his has changed to mine. Now we will be understanding the concept of personal pronouns. right? The personal pronouns are in different cases like nominative case, objective case, subjective case, etc. So now we are going to discuss in detail how these cases are and how each of personal pronoun changes in different cases. Now whenever we are changing into direct speech, the pronouns change according to the rules that are mentioned for each of the person. Now the rule is that for the first person, whenever we are using the rule for the first person, the rule is that the pronoun changes according to the subject of the reporting verb. The pronoun will change according to the subject of the reporting verb for the first person. For the second person, the personal pronoun will change according to the object. It will change according to the object of the reporting verb. And remember that for direct and for indirect speech, for the third person, there will be no change in pronoun. For third person, there is no change in pronoun. And why there is no change in pronoun? Because for first and second person, we can change it to the third person. And third person is the last change that we can do. There is no fourth person. And therefore, since third person is the last person, therefore third person will remain as it is. It will not change. Third person includes she, he, him, her, his. I say she studied in London. Rohan said that his sister studied in London. I will say Rohan said my sister studied in London. So what I mean to say is that she, him, his does not change. Rohan said it is his mistake. Now this is my direct speech. Now if I am converting to indirect, it is Rohan said that it is his mistake. His indirect, his in indirect. So the third person, there is no change in pronoun. A very important point over here that is made. That remember that for the third person, the pronoun will remain the same. There will be no change in the pronoun. Now next we are going to study, like in first person it is I, my, right? Second person is you, yours, and third person is this. Now we are going to see how I will change to other forms like mine, mine, myself. So now we are going to understand the table in which we will study and how these things change, how the pronouns change in different cases. Now next we are going to study about personal pronouns. Study in the case that we will study in a tabular form the different pronouns and how they change in different cases. So here first I will be talking about first person. Then I will consider second person. And then we will be talking about the third person. So for all these persons, we will be making the table. The first part will include the nominative case, second it will include the objective case, third will be the possessive adjective, and then we will be considering possessive adverb. Sorry, possessive pronoun. The adverb. So first person I will say is I. Second person will be, I will change to my. And for possessive adjective, it will be mine. And the possessive adjective will be mine. For we, objective case will be us. The possessive adjective will be our. And our will change to ours. Here also it will remain my. I, me, my, mine. We, us, our, ours. The second person over here is you. Nominative case will remain you. Objective case will remain you. Possessive case will become your. And for the possessive adjective, it will become, adverb will become yours. So you, your, yours. And the third case is it. It will remain it over here. It will change to its over here, and then there is no possessive adverb over there. Then they changes to them changes to their, and their changes to theirs. So this table is very important to remember whenever we are. Even this table is important for the topic of personal pronouns. Personal pronoun is a type of pronoun, it is a category of pronoun, and this table is effective in that topic also, and this table is effective for conversion of reported speech, either from direct to indirect or from indirect to direct. So this is the table of personal pronouns. Also, a very important point to be made while converting from indirect to direct is that in indirect we know that there is that in it. That is included in indirect speech. But whenever we are converting from indirect to direct speech, always remember that that is not included in direct speech. That is always used only in indirect speech, but while converting to direct speech, we do not make use of that. Instead, we make use of comma, inverted commas, and my statement within those inverted commas. Then an example of this can be, I say that Radha said that this pen was hers. That pen was hers. Now, if I want to convert this into direct, I will say Radha said, this is my pen. So hers changes to my when we are converting from indirect sentence to a direct sentence. So in this video particularly we have understood the concept of conversion of personal pronouns when we are converting the reported speech from one form to another. Then we've also implemented different examples. We have studied the table of personal pronouns and in which all cases our pronouns changes its form.